Aggravated assaults, kidnappings, muggings, and robberies. They can happen anytime, any place. Economic struggles have reduced the size of many police forces throughout North America. In fact, the average response time to a 911 call in 2012 was determined to be 10 minutes. Step one in keeping yourself and your family safe is to accept responsibility for your personal safety. The next step is to consider options that will help you when facing a dangerous threat. The Sabre personal alarm is an excellent choice. This compact, sleek design can be easily carried as a keychain, attached to a purse, backpack, or handbag. Simply remove the device from the keychain and 110 decibel alarm sounds. The Sabre personal alarm can be heard up to 300 feet or 100 meters. The loud sound can deter threats, attracting attention and bringing good Samaritans to your aid. The Sabre personal alarm comes in black, red, which supports the charity RAIN, Rape, Abuse, and Incest National Network, or pink, which supports the charity National Breast Cancer Foundation. Protect yourself and your family with the Sabre personal alarm.
This is the Glove Plus Black Nitrile, a premium industrial grade disposable nitrile glove with a lot of features that can make this the perfect glove for you and your customers. Nitrile contains no latex proteins, so anyone with latex allergies can still do their job safely and comfortably. Not only that, when the gloves reach body temperature, they conform to your hand for the perfect fit. Nitrile disposable gloves are also more elastic than vinyl and have 3 times the puncture resistance of latex. Glove Plus Black Nitrile gloves feature excellent protection against common chemicals like carburetor cleaner and many other specialty chemicals such as iodine and butane. The glove holds up to brake fluid, and even after being dipped in gasoline, the glove stays true to form. Work environments are always changing, and in wet or dry conditions, you're gonna need a strong grip. That's why Glove Plus Black Nitrile gloves are micro-roughened on the palm and textured on the fingertips. The glove is 9.5 inches long, from the tip of the finger to the base of the cuff. And it comes in extended sizes so that all your employees can benefit from the features of the Glove Plus Black Nitrile glove. Sizes range from small to double extra large and are sold 100 gloves per box and 10 boxes per case. So let's take a closer look. Glove Plus Black Nitrile gloves are 50% thicker than standard nitrile gloves for added durability so that each pair of gloves lasts longer while you're working. The polymer coating on the inside of the glove makes it easier to switch gloves in an active work environment. Now the professional black look helps to conceal dirt, grease, and grime for that professional look that you've been waiting for. And the gloves are non-chlorinated for an extended shelf life. Glove Plus Black Nitrile gloves are powder-free, so when creating a seal or working with wet paint, there's no powder to get in the way of a perfect finish. An additional feature is the beaded cuff that is over 4 times thicker to prevent tears and makes the glove easier to don. Black nitrile gloves are commonly used in automotive, manufacturing, janitorial, plumbing, paint shops, and industrial applications. Glove Plus Black Nitrile gloves are also FDA approved for food service. That's the Glove Plus Black Nitrile glove by Amex.
Stay focused on the action with GoPro's fast and smart charging accessories. For epic days that won't quit, these 3 accessories let you capture more action with less charging time. Next time you go on a longer adventure, bring along the supercharger, dual battery charger, or portable power pack. The first accessory we'll look at is the new GoPro Supercharger. Supercharger fast charges your GoPro Hero 5 Black and Hero 5 Session and other GoPro fast charge compatible devices 20% to 70% faster. It also charges all your other USB compatible devices, including your smartphone. Supercharger has 2 USB ports to charge multiple devices at the same time. The first is a USB-C port. This one charges fast charge compatible GoPro devices up to 3 times faster than normal chargers. So you can recharge a Hero 5 Black in less than 2 hours, or a Karma Grip in just 2 hours instead of 6 hours with normal chargers. The other port is a standard USB-A port. It will charge almost any device at normal charging speed. You can use both ports simultaneously to charge multiple devices, but only the USB-C fast charges. You can also use Supercharger to continuously power your GoPro when you're doing longer captures like time-lapse photography. Supercharger is light and packable, and it comes with adapters for most countries' AC outlets, so you can bring it on every adventure around the globe. The next essential charging accessory is the dual battery charger. This device charges 2 Hero 5 Black batteries simultaneously, and charges both batteries much faster when used with Supercharger. Since it comes with an extra battery for Hero 5 Black, use dual battery charger to carry extra batteries when you're out in the field or for longer captures. And for times when you have no access to an AC outlet, we always recommend using the portable power pack. This lightweight, packable design fits in your pocket so you can bring it anywhere. And you can charge your Hero 5 Black up to 4 times on a single charge. It has dual USB ports to charge 2 devices at once, so you can charge 2 Hero 5 cameras, or a camera and another accessory like the dual battery charger or the Karma Grip. Portable Power Pack is also a great source of power to recharge your smartphone when you need it. Tether Portable Power Pack to your camera for endurance power when you want to shoot time-lapse or night-lapse or extended video. For travel, extended shoots, or anytime you're away from a power source, GoPro has you covered with fast charging and smart charging solutions. Spend more time capturing the awesome with GoPro's charging solutions.
Hey guys, if your house has one or more floors, then I'm sure you've noticed that your wireless network will sometimes struggle to reach other areas of your home. We call these areas wireless dead zones. A solution to this problem could be adding a wireless repeater, but traditional wireless repeaters can be bulky and difficult to set up. That's why we created this wall-mounted wireless range extender, making it easier to set up and easier to deploy to rapidly get the rest of your home or office network connected. With 300 megabit per second wireless speeds, the wall-mounted range extender is more than fast enough to accommodate the vast majority of home or office tasks and powerful enough to reach the furthest corners of your home. With its range extender button, setting it up is incredibly easy to do. Simply press the WPS button on your router, followed by the RE button on the range extender, and you're done. In case you don't have a WPS enabled router, you can always use the extender's easy to set up web management GUI. The 850 is designed to be plugged in directly to a wall outlet, meaning that it can be optimally located in between your router and anywhere in your home or office with reduced coverage. Using the 850's LEDs, you can see how strong your signal is from your router. So you can use this to find the best location to plug in your extender to get the best signal possible. Easy to set up, easy to use. Put an end to wireless dead zones with TP-Link's wall-mounted wireless range extender.